This video demonstrates a typical ConTech RN2 2-inch Trimless Downlight remodel installation. Please note, the RN2A 2-inch Trimless adjustable version installs similarly to the following installation, with some variation. When installing an RN2A 2-inch Trimless adjustable, please refer to the installation instructions to verify specific procedures and specifications. These are the components required for this installation: RN2 housing, mud frame, trimless reflector. Start by turning power off at the service box and run wiring to the installation site. Ensure you have the proper location for the fixture. The flexible electrical cable above the ceiling needs to be close enough in proximity to the fixture opening. Drill a 3 3/4 inch hole. A hole saw is recommended for an accurate cut. Pre-fit the mud frame into the hole, making sure it fits properly. The mud frame has a shallow lip, which must face the room side when installed. It has a deeper lip on the back. Mark the locations of the 3 holes onto the ceiling. Since the mud frame will be supporting the housing in a remodel situation, we strongly recommend using 1/8 inch toggle bolts or equivalent. Carefully drill holes just large enough to pass the toggles through the ceiling. Add some drywall mud under the mud frame. Secure the mud frame using the 3 toggle bolts. With the mud frame secured, joint compound and paint can now be applied. After the finish coat paint has dried, make sure the inner groove in the mud frame is clear from excess joint compound and paint. Locate the flexible conduit in the ceiling. Make the electrical connections per the installation instruction sheet and local codes. Insert the housing through the aperture until it snaps firmly into the mud frame. Place the trim into the housing and press firmly until it is flush with the ceiling. Restore power at the service box and turn the fixture on. Installation is now complete.